Dear students of class 2, today we will start our next chapter, that is chapter number 5, Tubby the Fat Cat. Here whisper, snore, pause, upstairs and a watch. The picture is given. So we will read the chapter. Okay. Here Andy was a 7 years old boy. He loved to run and play. He never ever wanted to go to bed. His father said, "It is important to sleep and rest." His mother said, "How will you get up in time for school?" So, time to sleep, Andy. It's bedtime. 5 minutes more, please. Now, in the next page, you see one weekend, Andy and his parents went to visit Grandpa. Grandpa heard all about it and said, "I think I have an idea. Tubby, my fat cat, can help." Andy's parents took the cat home with them in their car. Tubby was a slow, fat cat. Most of the time, no one knew where he was. That night at bedtime, Andy again did not want to go to bed. His parents waited to see if Tubby would do something to make him go to bed. Nothing happened. Grandpa said Tubby would help, said Andy's father. Hours later, Andy finally decided to go to bed. Turn your page. Here you see, but what a surprise when he entered his bedroom. Tubby was spread out on his bed. He was snoring like a train. Andy tried to shift Tubby, but he could not move him, not even an inch. That night, Andy hardly slept. Tubby pushed him into one corner of the bed. The next day, the same thing happened. Andy was tired and sleepy, but Tubby was in his bed, and when he went up on the third day, Andy decided to go into bed before Tubby did. That night, as soon as his parents said, "Now it's bedtime," Andy ran upstairs and jumped into bed. His parents would not believe it. They knew nothing about Tubby sleeping in Andy's bed, so they did not understand why Andy went to bed on time. They were just happy that he did. Can you guess where Tubby slept at night? Tubby slept at night on the mat. So, dear students, you have to read the chapter and with the spellings also you will read out. Okay? Thank you.